Hello everyone, I developed a Google Chrome extension ChatGPT to Markdown before, which supports one-click export of the current conversation record to Markdown format. Later, some partners reported that they wanted to export to more formats, such as extracting only plaintext content and screenshot functions. So I will introduce the latest ChatGPT conversation record export plugin for you, ExportGPT. Quickly copy or export ChatGPT conversations, one-click download and save ChatGPT chat history. Now supports exporting files in 9 formats: text, Markdown, screenshot, PDF, HTML, Word, JSON, Excel, CSV. So, how do we install ExportGPT? First, open Google Chrome or Edge browser into the Google Web Store. You can search for the keyword ExportGPT. The first result is what we are looking for. Click to enter the homepage. Please confirm that our plugin provider is ChatOpenAI.Pro. Then click the Add to Chrome button to install it. After installation, it will automatically jump to the introduction page of ExportGPT. I recommend you to read the introduction document first or bookmark it.